Hello, my name is Jason Arnold, and I am demonstrating for you my Dentist web application for Java 3. I'm going to launch that now. While that launches, I basically broke this up into two different sides. I have a patient side and a dentist side, mostly because of the difference in the two databases for the dentist and the patient. And also because the dentist has a list of appointments instead of a singular appointment, I had to make an appointment list class for this as well. Should be ready to go. So here we have my main screen where you choose between patient or dentist login. So you log in as a patient, and let's see. I believe, yeah, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, but we'll go with an incorrect login. So that should give you the incorrect login screen, the login error screen. So it gives you the error login. So we go back to the patient and we'll do A900 again. We'll use the correct password. And this will hit the login servlet, patient login servlet, and this will return you the current patient information. You can change any of these fields except patient ID. This field is read-only to prevent database, not corruption, but prevent things being changed. It displays the appointment. So if I wanted to change Jimmy's first name to James, this will go out to the patient change. Let's change his insurance too. We'll change him to Aetna. This will go out to patient change information servlet, and then it will then come back to this page with that new information displayed. So if we change it, it'll go back out. No, it's already done it. So if now I can go schedule an appointment or change the appointment. So this takes me to another page for changing the appointment or scheduling the appointment. So it displays the current information up at the top, and then down at the bottom you can select a date, time. You can choose a dentist. So for database or for data entry validation on this, I chose to use a chooser, or a picker, or whatever you call these, I forget. So it displays the dentist name, but on the back end, the information it passes is the dentist number D201, 202, 203, and 204 into the servlet. So that way you can't enter an incorrect dentist name. But right now, she's got D201, which is Frank Martin. So I'll change that to 203. And then I also hard-coded the procedures in here as well for the same reason. So we'll do cavity filling. And I'm going to change this appointment. I want to change it to, we'll say, April 30th at 11 a.m. And we'll change that appointment, and that should reload the patient information with the new information. So the appointment is now on 4:30 at 11 with a different dentist and a different procedure. And then I didn't really do a log out screen on this. So that's pretty much it for patient information, and the information also has changed. As we noted, it was Jimmy and Cigna, now it's James and Aetna. So if we go back out to the main and view the dentist login, it's going to be the same. So we have D201 and his password is Frank, but same thing here. We have another. If you try to log in, it'll give you an error on it. But if we go with the correct password, then that will take you to Frank's. Uh-oh, I didn't center that. CSS bit I missed on. So it gives you his information, and the same as before. You can change anything. You can change his office number. He's in 625 now instead of 590. And Frank just got remarried and took his wife's name, which is Howard. I don't know. Changed that information, and so now it's been updated. And also it has his list of appointments. So this table is auto-generated to be the length of the appointment list. And that's pretty much it. That's what I got. So we're going to go back out and we're going to choose a different dentist. So let's do dentist 204. And we'll log in there. And so 204 doesn't have any appointments in the database. So let's go back out and see 203. 203 has, let's see, 203 has 4 appointments in the database. So as you can see, that list changes, and it's kind of the one thing I'm proud of. Like, I made that pretty clean. So yeah, that's all there is for it. Thank you.